Let's take a look at some of these questions from the homework on 1.4 that give you a situation and ask you to write a symbolic expression using multiplication that represents the problem, and then they ask you to calculate the answer. So remember, we talk about how students that are quote unquote good at math, the reason they're good at math is because they use strategies to help them get the answers. So what I would like to show you today is using the strategy of drawing a picture in this case. So it says that Sarah hiked down a mountain for 6 hours. Each hour her elevation decreased by 70 meters. Compute her change in elevation in meters relative to her starting point. Okay, so let's first start by, I'm going to draw myself a little mountain here. There's the snow. And here is Sarah. She's up at the top. And she is going to hike down or decrease 70 meters each hour. Now, the word decreased here tells me that it's going to be a negative elevation. So I can also think of this, I don't like to think of things in terms of hops, if you will. This is a big hop, but you get the picture. She's going down 70 meters in 1 hour. Okay, and she's going to do this for 6 hours. And that's only 5 there, but you get the picture. I'm out of room. Okay, so this helps me to see, okay, then I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 copies of 70 meters. And because I'm decreasing, it's going to be negative 70. So I'm going to do 6 times a negative 70. Now, if you were already entering that in the computer and it's giving you a wrong answer, don't forget you have to put these parentheses around your negative number there. I know that a positive times a negative is a negative, so so this is going to go right here in this box. That is my symbolic expression, and then my answer is negative 420 meters. This second question says that a baby gained 5 ounces per month for 7 months. Find the baby's total change in weight relative to her original weight. Now, in this case, drawing a picture doesn't really make sense, but I can still kind of use a chart to represent my problem. So, first of all, I see the word here, gained. So because she is gaining weight, I know that that's going to be a positive number. So this is going to be month 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just kind of gives me an idea, and I see that she or he, doesn't tell us, is gaining 5 pounds a month. So I can think of this as 7 copies of 5 pounds. So 7 copies of, or 7 groups of, a positive 5 pounds, right? And that's going to mean that I'm going to multiply 7 times 5. Now in this case, I don't need to put the plus 5. If you do, the computer will probably mark it wrong. We would just write a normal 5 like that. And then 7 times 5 is going to be 35 ounces. That is what my answer would look like.